salt. This is the consistency you're looking for. Really soft. Open the lid. Make sure that the light is green, so that means that it's ready at the right temperature. Put it on the surface, a bit closer to the back of the gadget. Press it once. You see this? Hear that funny noise? See the bubbles forming on the surface? What does that indicate? Time to flip it over. I'm going to flip it over now, and then gently lower the lid on it. What does that magic happens? Yes! And out pops the chapatee. Look at that! Friends of iTastography. So this is hashtag Taz approved. Always look for that hashtag. It has to be Taz approved.